Hey there! Have you ever wished some of your dishes or ingredients would cool faster when in a rush so that you can use it for the next step, such as grinding or storing? Then let me share some easy tips for both wet and dry ingredients. Let's know how! Drop your comments in the section below and subscribe for more such tips. For a liquid-based food, take a bigger bowl. Take the hot liquid food into the bowl. Now preferably a steel-based bowl for faster cooling. And pour chilled water from the fridge or ice cubes if you have. Keep it for a while and you will see your dish getting colder. Now for dry dishes, use any stand. Then on a plate, put the hot dry food or ingredient. Then make some space in between. This will ensure that the air circulation happens from all the sides. And this method will quickly cool your dish. Both the problem solved. That's all for today. I will be back with another buzzing ideas.